Today, you are going to learn the numbers in German. The numbers in German are called as die Zahlen. Die Zahlen. Learning the German words for the numbers provides an excellent opportunity to practice German pronunciations. Counting in any language is a valuable skill best learned early on. In German, as in English, there are both cardinal. A cardinal number is a number used in counting to indicate quantity. A cardinal number answers the question, how many? Also called a counting number or a cardinal numeral. And ordinal, place or order numbers. An ordinal number is a number that indicates position or order in relation to other numbers. First, second, third, and so on. Contrast to these numbers with cardinal numbers in math, they are also called natural numbers and integers, those numbers that represent countable quantity. Ordinal numbers do not represent quantity but rather indicate rank and position, such as the 5th place, the 24th chocolate, the 2nd highest rank, and so on. A number formation is similar in the first 12 numbers are unique as English. About 12 numbers are formed by combination. For example, 13 is called as 13 and 14 is called as 14. Now let us start speaking the German numbers. I will call out the number first. I will pause for a minute and you repeat after me. So, as said, the numbers in German are called die Zahlen. A single number is called die Zahl, or die Nummer, die Nummer. So, let's begin to say the numbers in German. Null, null. Eins, eins. Zwei, zwei. Drei, drei. Vier, vier. Fünf, fünf. Sechs, sechs. Sieben, sieben. Acht, acht. Neun, neun. 10, 10. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15.